Today we're going to show you guys how to make a very tasty and favorite dim sum that you get at a restaurant. It's called Ham Sui Gok. In Cantonese it's called Ham Sui Gok. So we have some green onion right here. This is bo choy. I think it's made from bu choy. A dried salted daikon. And this is some chopped up red carrots and some white or red onion. Got some mushroom right here diced up. Got some shrimp, sauteed shrimp, baby shrimp, and some of these Chinese lobster,
bacon,
Chinese bacon or sausage. So my mom is adding some of the onion and garlic and ginger, some olive oil. Start off with the flavor. And this is the Chinese vegetable called sa got. I don't know what the English word is. Sa got, something like that maybe. Okay, we're gonna add the lobster. And this is gonna be a fried dim sum. It looks like my mom decided to add some of the American bacon in addition to lobster. Just to mix things up. We already know how tasty bacon is. Okay, I'm adding Palmite. Sure. Now the mushroom. Okay, getting the sauce. I think my mom has too much ingredients right here.
Too much.
You're gonna be like 3 families or something. Mom's adding salt, so we are using this pink sea salt or Himalayan salt for another level of flavor. Okay, even it's called Ham Sui Gok. Ham means salt. Sui Gok means is water or fried pot sticker. So that sugar combined with that sea salt, it's going to be crazy. Now we added red carrots and added some soy sauce. And now some rice wine or cooking wine. A little bit of oyster sauce, sesame oil, a little bit of black pepper. Okay, my mom added all the scallions and then put some of the, what's this? Some mushroom bouillon flavor. Optional. Oh, wait a minute. This is scallions and gao choy. Gao choy is chives. My mom said it's done. This is part of the preparation. Okay. We're using some of this wheat starch flour. Wheat starch. Water here. Mix it up.
Sweet rice.
Using some glutinous rice flour. So what we're going to do is mix the combination of the two. I believe it's for a softer, enriched texture. Because we have a lot of ingredients, we decided to use the whole bag. We're adding 3/4 of a stick of butter, melted. Okay, now we mix the two dough, the wheat flour, and also the glutinous rice. It looks like my mom is adding some brown sugar. So the brown sugar we're going to add to the dough mix because we want the skin of the Ham Sui Gok to also be sweet in addition to the inside ingredients. That is the secret right there. Okay, my mom already added the sugar to the dough. Now we're kneading it. This is hard work. So basically what you're aiming for is mixing the dough real good until they're soft, making sure both type of flour are mixed in real good. Okay, so my mom cut it into like a sushi roll shape, just enough size to wrap the Ham Sui Gok in. Okay, see how she's spreading it out. Now we're gonna put the ingredients in there. Of course, the bowl ingredients is right here. That's a beautiful bowl, Mom. I need this at home. See that? You're gonna put a generous amount, but not too much. Depending on the size of a wrapper, I guess you can use a special tool where you can use a pot sticker. Okay, we just gonna close it in. 唔使用水，唔使用蛋啊。唔使。So you don't have to use water or egg because the dough mixture has already enough moisture in it. See, make it look pretty like that. But it's gonna be fried anyway. That looks good, Mom. Like that. That's the shape you want to aim for. You have the option of using these pot sticker or dumpling tools, but my mom finds it a lot easier just using her hand. Okay, it's ready to fry it. Vegetable oil on, it's like a medium. How long you gonna fry it, Mom? How long? Until it floats to the top. Probably about 5 minutes. Whoa! Woo! Okay, so that's about, whoa, 5 or 6 minutes. A little bit dangerous right here. I think my mom put white sugar instead of brown sugar. Oh, it's too cold. But I was hoping for like a more brown texture. Now she's adding a different batch. My mom is wearing the protective mask to protect her from the oil, the boiling oil. Alright, I'm gonna try it right here next to the hot boiling oil just for YouTube. Look at that. Like I said, I was hoping for a more crispier texture, but we don't want to overburn it. Then just bite into it. Oh, that's hot. Show ingredients. I taste a little bit of sweetness in the shell. A lot of healthy and delicious ingredients inside. Ooh-wee. They won't put all these ingredients at your local restaurant. No way. Otherwise they'll charge you plenty. So good. So good. Good job, Mom. A+.